Shawarma is a popular Middle Eastern dish that consists of meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie. The dish is typically served with a variety of toppings and sauces, all wrapped in pita bread. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make a traditional Arabic shawarma at home, including tips on how to prepare the ingredients, cook the meat, and assemble the final dish for serving. First, gather all the ingredients. For the meat, you will need 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs or beef, thinly sliced. For the marinade, prepare half a cup of plain yogurt, a quarter cup of olive oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, the juice of 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and salt to taste. For serving, you'll need pita bread, sliced tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, shredded lettuce, thinly sliced onions, and tahini sauce or garlic sauce. Start by preparing the marinade. In a large mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice, cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, allspice, black pepper, and salt. Mix well until all the ingredients are blended together. Add the thinly sliced meat to the marinade and ensure each piece is well coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight to allow the flavors to fully develop. Once the meat has marinated, it's time to cook it. Preheat your grill or skillet over medium-high heat. If using a grill, thread the marinated meat onto skewers. If using a skillet, simply place the meat directly onto the heated surface. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes on each side, or until the meat is fully cooked and has a nice char. While the meat is cooking, you can prepare the toppings. Slice the tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, and shred the lettuce. Warm the pita bread either on the grill or in a dry skillet for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until soft and pliable. Once the meat is done, remove it from the grill or skillet and let it rest for a few minutes. This will help the juices redistribute, making the meat more tender and flavorful. To assemble the shawarma, place a few pieces of cooked meat onto the center of a warmed pita bread. Add slices of tomato, cucumber, and onion, followed by shredded lettuce. Drizzle with tahini sauce or garlic sauce. Roll the pita bread over the fillings, tucking in the sides to form a wrap. Serve immediately, while the shawarma is still warm, for the best flavor. Enjoy your homemade Arabic shawarma with a side of pickles or fries for a delicious, authentic meal.